All right, guys, so another new tool we have is going to be the multi-grip, which is going to be extremely modular. Guys, get creative with this tool. You can use it as a striker, you can use it as a puller, and honestly, you can even put it on the ends of hammers, if you will. Another way you can use this tool is with our edge hook. Now, I'm going to show you this here in a minute, which is a really nice feature as well. So here's our edge hook. Here is our aluminum with knurling multi-grip. Okay, so you can see that there's 3 holes on it. So once again, hey, it's your sandbox. Get creative with it. The components that we added with it is going to be the JVF tip. You know, this is one of the industry favorite knockdown tips. You're going to have some other attachments with it as well, so you can hook up your TabTrax with it. You're going to have a puck. This is what we're going to use to strike. So once again, you know, a lot of surface area up here, so we can be really aggressive with this. Don't worry, nothing's going to break on this, okay? So guys, get really aggressive on some of those larger blowouts. Maybe you got some couple kinks or some buckles that you're trying to flatten out. That's a great tool to use during that process as well. You're also going to have a little bit of our modular knockdown attachments as well, so we can get some length to be able to pull, or not even, or other than that, you know, we can get a little bit of length from the puck down to the panel to give you more clearance and put our knockdown tips in it. We have a big assortment of knockdown tips now as well, but this is a really great feature right here. Let me show you this. A lot of times when you're pulling after you get done roughing out a large smash, you kind of just need a little bit, right? You just want to hold a little bit of tension, come in and knock down your crowns. This right here, these attachments will be fantastic for that as well. So I'll show you. Okay, we're going to install this tip here onto our T-nut. Screw that on here. Okay, install it here. Now I can take our TabTrax and install it onto the tool. Tighten down that grub screw here. Once we have a tab, centipede, whatever the case may be, now we can hook up, hold a little bit of tension, pull, come in, and knock down. If you're working on something that's really soft, right? A lot of times you run into those real soft dents. Instead of getting in there with like a slide hammer, glue down like a super tab, grab this multi-grip and slowly walk it out. So there's gonna be a lot of cases where this tool is gonna really shine. Also, you know, if you're thinking like quarters, not quarters so much, but like fenders that get drove in, maybe the driver opened the door, pushed the fender in just a little bit. We have this edge hook here that you can install as well. Same concept, loosen up the grub screw, install it to the T-nut, get in between the door and the fender, and now we can pull that edge out. So it's just going to give you more control, more feel, right? So that's one of the cool things when we come up with tools. We want you to be engaged with the tool and to be able to feel exactly what you're doing. So check out the multi-grip. Awesome tool, guys.